Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Brave browser won't open issue on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate your Brave browser shortcut on your desktop or taskbar. Right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Run as Administrator. This option forces Brave to launch with elevated permissions, which can often resolve startup issues caused by restricted access or conflicting processes. Sometimes Windows blocks certain applications from running normally, and using administrator privileges bypasses those restrictions. If running as administrator doesn't solve the problem, you'll need to take a different approach by completely reinstalling Brave. This method works well when the browser files have become corrupted or damaged. To start, go to Settings on your Windows computer. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the Windows icon, then select Settings from the menu that appears. This will open the main Windows settings panel where you can manage all your system configurations. Once you're in Settings, click on Apps. This section controls all the applications installed on your computer and allows you to modify or remove them. Now scroll through the list of installed applications and look for Brave Browser. Once you find it, click on it to expand the options. You'll see a button that says Uninstall. Click on that button to begin removing Brave from your system. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the application. Click Uninstall again to confirm your decision. Windows will now remove Brave browser from your computer, deleting all its files and configurations. This process usually takes just a few moments, so wait until it's completely finished before moving forward. Now that Brave has been removed, you'll need to download a fresh copy. Open Google Chrome or any other browser you have available. In the search bar, type Brave browser and hit enter. From the search results that appear, click on the official Brave browser website. Make sure you're clicking the correct site to avoid downloading from unauthorized sources. Once you're on the Brave website, you'll see a button that says Get Brave. Click on this button to start downloading the latest version of the browser. The download will begin automatically and the file will be saved to your Downloads folder. After the download completes, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser window and click on the Downloads icon. This will show you all your recent downloads. Locate the Brave installer file and click on it to open and begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation, and once it's finished, Brave should open without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Brave browser won't open issue by either running it as administrator or reinstalling it completely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.